Ngayon po, ito na po ang nangyayari dito sa Kita, Hokkaido. Sa Hokkaido po, zero visibility. Simula po ng alas 8 ng maga. Ngayon po ay 4 na ng hapon. Ang kapal po ng snow. Umabot na po dun sa bakod ng bahay. Buksan na.
Go party, it's a snow
Nagiging
day.
vlog
You
po
won't
kasi
be
pa
tardy
hindi ko
cause it's a
pinukunin.
snow day. You can sip hot chocolate cause it's a snow day. And you don't have to do your homework, it's a snow day. You can find me in the dub, coffee in my mug. Mama Nature's dropping snow and your school is staying shut. If you're into wearing sweats and you're into wearing Uggs, come get real snug cause nothing's opening up. When you pull the shades up, you'll see snow on your shrub. When I say a couple feet will pile up. When I say it's a snow day, all the students show me love. Even teachers on the low are like, hey yo, thank you, bro. Look, homie, the season changed. Snow's down, feet up. I'm telling folks to wear a coat so that they don't freeze up. When you watch me on the tube, I hope you like the way I predict. Been hit with a few complaints, but I don't walk with a limp. Feeling good in LA, they're saying, boy, is it hot. It's nice, but they gotta go to school and get taught. But out in New York, this winter's got the snow going loco. Your plans should just to be drink a bunch of hot cocoa. Fully focused, man. Squall line on my mind. Been at work since yesterday, and I'm still on the grind. Now parents say they're digging my style, they're digging the snow, but not again tomorrow.
Salamat po sa panonood. Yan lamang po. Bye-bye.